It's time for your stock appearing first of three. Justin Roberts on the point position in the 57. Seth Wheeler opponent in the 99. Tyler Hager in the 09. Toby Sherrill in the T23. And Jason Harmon in the 2. 8 laps to decide it. Here we go. Somebody needs a muffler. Green flag out and we're underway. Justin Roberts trying to get the whole shot over Tyler Hager's 09. And Shelby Harmon now in that 2H has been one of your strong runners this weekend. Justin Roberts out of Buffalo, Missouri, looking good in that red, white, and blue 57. Tyler Hager trying to make a move. Harmon now to the inside. They battle it out for second and third. Meanwhile, Justin Roberts all by himself out in front. Harmon now starting to give chase. Shelby Harmon has caught Roberts. The white flag will be rolling out. We've got one to go. Shelby Harmon now your leader and winner. The 09 comes home second with Roberts in the 57 sliding back to third. Shelby Harmon taking the win. Or Jason Harmon taking the win in 2H. Here we go. Heat number 2. Michael Rayburn in the 49. Jason Pike is in the 41. Clifford Lean in the 27L. Rob Purchase in the 65. And Kevin Blackburn in the 26K. Looks like the 27L of Lean not going to make the call, or is he? All right, we're going to roll them. Rayburn and Pike giving each other the knuckle bust. This ought to be a good one for 8. Rayburn out of Sheldon, Missouri. Here they come. Green rolling out. And Rayburn takes the early lead. Oh, we've got all kinds of a mess. All right, here we go. A little bit of confusion over in turn 2. We'll try it again. Attention clones, your B feature for the 360s is on the board. Clone 360B is on the board. Rayburn and Pike doing battle now in the opening laps. Michael Rayburn and Justin Pike. Pike determined to make that top groove work. Trying low in 2 and high in 4. Side by side, they're gonna go down in the 3. Exchanging slide jobs now. At the line it was Pike. Pike with a small advantage that time. White flag coming out for Pike's number 1. Rayburn right in that number 2 spot with a 65 of Purchase third. Checkers in the air to the 1 of Pike. Rayburn will come home in that number 2 position, and the 65 of Rob Purchase finishing up in 3rd. All right, our 3rd and final heat for the stock appearing. Robbie Morissette in the 29, Dustin Moore in the 0. The 13 of Brian Beasley to his outside, the 31 of Skylar Teague. Back row, 77R, Andrew Ratliff, Dylan McCowan in the 8th. They're ready to roll. Here they come. No start, no start, no start. I see a starting line getting ready to be pointed out there in that corner. Lights go off, we could go this time by. Here they come, green's gonna roll out this time. Morissette taking the early advantage. Brian Beasley now back in that number 2 position. We stay green and clean. Morissette still in charge. Beasley dirt tracking his way around as we get ready to complete lap 5. Morissette in a strong fashion here. And red coming out. We've got one right up against the wall barrier on the backside. Six down, 2 to go. Lights going off around the speedway. We could get a start this time. Green back out. They'll be looking at the white flag this time for Robbie Morissette with 1 to go. Beasley now trying to make the move. It's Morissette at the line. Morissette in the 28 taking the victory. Beasley's 13, followed by McCowan and Moore.